Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the bricks beam reinforced with the GFRP. Let me to show you the GFRP. I used shell thickness for the GFRP. You can see these are the GFRP, and I used mortar as a cohesive surface with damage property between these surfaces of the bricks with each other, and I use perfect contact with tie contact between GFRP and with the bricks here. So if I click on animate, you can see this, and you can see the separation and mortar failure between the bricks. See that this is a mortar failure between the horizontal and the vertical direction among the bricks. You can see that it is the failure. Let's me to remove the GFRP and just see the bricks. Let's me to click on animate. You can see here and the failure here. The failure in the mortar happen in the interaction based on cohesive interaction. And if I add the GFRP, you can see the maximum stress happen in the GFRP and the displacement or hushing damage. Let's me to remove this shell thickness. The GFRP damage happen here at the force area, the stress, and the plastic strain, or everything which we need, we can get it here. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on title or blue sign. This is continue. Just read the tutorials with English titles. So here you will have the explanation about the process and simulation, the assembled part here, parts here, some explanation about the material model, the S-step interaction, and the results here. You can see them, and there are three important points here. The file contains CAI in English video file step by step, and the cost is $29 US. You can pay for that through PayPal systems. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.